Hello, and welcome to Quick Looks. My name is Ellie. This is Find and Replace in Office. Let's open up this Excel document. I have a list here of random names and phone numbers, and I have to submit this list of phone numbers in this format. No parentheses, no hyphens, no spaces. As you can see, I have open parentheses, area code, close parentheses, a space, phone number with a hyphen in the middle. So we could either retype everything, but if your list is huge, you wouldn't want to do that. What I'm going to recommend you do is use the find and replace function. What I first recommend is highlighting the column, because when we use the find and replace function, we will only find and replace information in this column. The quick click for find and replace is Control H. Many of you might be familiar with Control F for find. This is very similar to Control H. As you can see, when you pull it up, it pulls up the Replace tab. If you do Control F, it'll give you the Find tab, and we have the Replace tab. Let's show you that again. Control F will bring you up the Find tab. You can always just click on Replace, or Control H brings you straight into Replace. So what I want to do is I want to find the open parentheses and replace it with nothing. So I'm going to find the open parentheses, and I'm not going to type anything into the replace with. Hit replace all, and as you can see, it replaced them all with nothing. Now let's do that again with the close parentheses. As you can see, replaced all of those. Now let's do that again with the spaces. I'm just going to hit the space bar. There is a space here. You can see I've highlighted it there. Replace that. As you can see, all the spaces are gone. Remove the space there and click hyphen. Replace it again with nothing. Replace all. And there we go. I have formatted the entire column as per the instructions. Now this find and replace is very useful. There's a lot of other options available. When you're using text, you can match your case. You can select to match the entire cell. I suggest you test out, see what you can learn using this function. It also works in Word. Let's just type a few things in here. As you can see, Control H again will bring me to the replace option. I can do all sorts of things like replace the H with the number 1. That's pretty basic. Scroll back up. I can also do more. There's special characters which are very useful. I like to replace paragraph marks with a lot of things. Let me show you. Let me first switch back the 1s to H's. There we go. Let's view the show hide for paragraph marks. That's this button up here. As you can see, every time you press enter, a paragraph mark gets put in there at the end of each line. So let's clear out what I was doing. So I want to find a paragraph mark, and which will find this funny character, paragraph mark over there, and I'm going to replace it with another paragraph mark and the word goodbye. Words goodbye. Why did I put a paragraph mark here as well? If I wouldn't, then I would be replacing each paragraph mark with goodbye, and everything would be on the same line. Here, I'll show you real quick. See, everything's on the same line. That's not what I wanted to happen. Let's undo that. Do that again, and insert the paragraph mark. And as you can see, it replaced the paragraph mark with another paragraph mark, and then put goodbye in front of hello on each line. And on every other line that had a paragraph mark. Let's actually fix that, because as you can see, there's no space between the E and the H. So let's undo that. Control H. Put a space after goodbye. Replace all. As you can see, goodbye, hello. Let's take off the viewing paragraph marks. And that's what I want it to look like. I hope you enjoyed today's quick look. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.